Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Blaze Gaming, and today we're playing The Walking Dead Saint Sinners, if I'm saying that right, but let's go. So I'm gonna continue more off in the game because I played the game before and I didn't feel like making a new game and sitting there and like see the same dialogue, but see the same like storytelling. But I might do that if I make the next video. I might just like just do it for now. Oh shit! Oh my bad. Oh no! What the fuck? Oh, oh. My bad. It's like I will start from the same thing, but like I don't feel like it. I don't feel like in the story wise, but I will kind of explain as we go on. I know a lot of you are not gonna like that, but it's just it's not hard to get to the story world. It is fun to like go back and play. But like I just don't want to go taking that time of like going back and like. So I might have to like today I'm just gonna show how what's going on and like maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make another video. Alright, so we're gonna put so what do you just put this thing water thing. I can't hold it from the other side. I guess. Right. So I guess we needed to go to a church. Alright, so we need to go to the church, and I believe we had to turn the radio to 47. Alright. 47. This game's pretty fun if you ever VR. It's all outside of the church. Alright, we have to go to the church. So, let me just tell a really quick story. So, technically there was an old man talking to us, talking about like how the cities are, how the clans and people were killing people. And so when we come to the cemetery, he's like hanging and there's bodies around him because like he's been attacked, I guess. And like a moron, like he's talking to you, he's like, you kill him eventually because you feel bad. So he's kind of leaning like that. Like I would have done the same thing. So yeah. So now we're here. So you go on like tours, you're talking to the guy on the radio. You do these missions. So now we're here and yeah, we're just trying to fucking figure out what the fuck is going on in the world. So yeah. So yeah, that's mostly I know, and I'm sorry for the people that haven't seen the cutting and this and that. I'm sorry, it's just because I didn't kind of want to reset a little bit, and I know a lot of people are gonna get mad at that, but yeah. But it's pretty cool though, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. It sucks when I'm telling about it. And I want to be like, fuck yeah. Axe, baby. How about I ask you a question? I get that? Get it? Because yeah. I don't know if the church is over there. I don't know if the motherfucker's dead, but we're gonna see him as he's dead. Yeah, axe makes noise because it's metal and it scares the fuck out of you. I'm gonna run clear because I fucking don't like. Okay, now he's gonna turn. I don't like pushing back here. Wow, this don't work. Wow, this don't work. I guess I have to hit him in the head, I guess. That should not do that. How do you know you can like, and it won't do jack shit to them. I just like try to fucking, just know. Do I have that? I think I have that. Do I have that? Do I have that? No, fuck, shit. Church. Oh, fuck. Ah, I think I went the wrong way. Ah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, shit. Yeah, VR is pretty complicated sometimes because how itchy your head gets. Yeah, I'm taking this out again. I don't know how to hold it. Like, sometimes I want to hold it like this, but I was like, I feel like it's too vulnerable, and I feel like I just want to hold it like this. It's much better to hold it like. Okay, that was. Hold it like this because I can just go back and just take it out, But this game is pretty fun. If you have a VR, just play this game. Hey man, try it out. It's pretty cool. It's scary sometimes because zombies fucking jump out of nowhere and scare the shit out of you, and noises too, like I'm doing now. But yeah, I guess we're gonna go through here because there's a church. going on. It's a pretty good game though. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. You should buy it. It's like I think it was off for like $20, I think, and I think it's like 40 or 30. I don't remember. I think it was like $30. But it's a good game. Holy shit, I'm tired. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, guns. Yeah, weapons break too. It's like pretty cool. It's like some type of. And then what's it called? Oh yeah, and also we met a lady from somewhere that known like someone, and they like were doing something. Oh shit, this girl fucking. I don't like this type of scenario because of how fucking scary it could be in the middle. Shut your bitches, I'm talking. So yeah, how scary this shit could be in the middle of the night because like it's zombies, man. Like I'm not scared of zombies, but I'm just like when they come out of nowhere, that's what fucking terrors, you know. Just like. Wait. Hey, here? Fuck is that? What are they looking at? I don't think I was on. I can go to the church right now, but I want to see what the fuck are you looking at? Bitch. Hey, look at me. What the fuck are you guys looking at? Oh, fuck you guys looking? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Yo. I was joking. I'm gonna take it. Take a joke, man. I'm sorry. No. Come back. Ooh, okay, relax. Oh, sweet motherfucker! No. Oh god, I am fucking. Oh fuck! Oh no, don't break. Please don't break. I did not. Ah, come on, man. Don't break. Please don't break, dude. Please, I need you. I'm at the church, but I don't know what the fuck. I'm gonna like tap him a little bit, I guess. What? Did it break? What? You're gonna give me a shotgun? Yeah, that's what I meant by fucking breaking. Oh yeah, I forgot how this big. Bop! Yeah, I call this the Bob Wire bat, referring as Negan from The Walking Dead. If I'm saying that right, or Keegan. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah. But it's like this technically is from like the Walking Dead series. It's not actually from the Walking Dead, but it's like from just Walking Dead because like Keegan uses his bat. So I don't know if you guys know him. It's from Walking Dead. So I kind of don't understand. But shit, man. Oh, I can't store these? Oh, I guess I can use it. Ow. Oh, my axe isn't broken? Oh, what the fuck? I thought it was broken. No. I guess there goes the perfect shotgun, I guess. Shit, man. It was sick too, because it was just lying there. Fuck. I only shot like one round of that bitch and just fucking broke. Stupid as fuck, alright. Hello? What? I can't go in here? Oh, I guess I can't fucking go in here. You're dying tonight. Bitch! Oh, there's gotta be a way. There's no way it won't let. Wait. Maybe I'm just supposed to push like windows, right? Fuck. Guess we can't get on there. Aw, come on, man. That's the church, right? Where else am I supposed to fucking go? Got I parkour over this bitch? Ooh. Shit. Shit. What? Oh, I guess you can go. I don't know. I think you can get back in. Come on, looks like you can get in there. Oh, come on, Gabe. Don't make me do this shit. Oh my god, because of course. Everywhere I go, there's fucking vehicles blocking shit I wanted to see your shit. Fucking stupid fucking. Is the only way in here? That's very nice. Oh shit, did I drop on fire? Fucking noise, man. I'm getting shivers down my spine. I'm getting shivers down my spine. Oh shit! Let's go! I got a handgun, let's go, baby. I gotta build it. Why I forgot. Whoa! Ho, ho, ho. Bitch! Fuck you! Alright? Alright, fuck you. Alright, fuck you. Huh! That's what I was supposed to do. Alright. Hey! Let's go! Did I turn it on or something? I guess not. Alright, while we're here, I want to explore a little bit. I want to find some materials. Oh, you gotta break. Bitch! Bitch! Let's go! Alright. Oh, shit, like one more swing, it's done. Okay. Fix the water tower, baby. Let's go. Free water, right? Damn, I'm bloody as fuck. Alright, let's dip. Because I want to get the fuck out of here. That's what I'm doing. This is not to be any physical. Shit, John's right there. I'm about to fucking run around. Man, I'm sorry, man. I feel bad for my character. Oh shit, fuck me. Get the fuck over there, motherfucker. Holy shit, man. Let's get the fuck out of me, man. Oh my god. See, I'm telling you, this game is scary sometimes. Like, there's a amount of stupid shit zombies do. Like, they come out of nowhere. Like, oh, ooga booga. Where the fuck am I going? No, this is not where I'm going. Oh, I was like far away. This gun is like, it's like not that good. Like you have to like sometimes hold it with your hands. So this shit's not that weird. I like how you have to shake it. Where the fuck was I going? Where did I come from? It was not in here. I'm pretty sure it was not in here. I think it was like right in here. Yeah, it was right there. Well, I want to throw some hoops in there. I don't remember where the fuck the ball was, or I think it was the ball. Alright, so I got a new pistol. A lot of material, I guess. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Holy shit. Larger weapons gonna be easier to when you're holding it, but yeah, it's with both hands. I want to see someone just grab a fucking axe like that, just and just like, pull it in front of them. I want to do that. Actually, I want to pull it, but I guess not. I guess not. Cause, like, all right. What's that? Okay. Yes, Jesus. That's a skull, right? Yep. That's a human skull, right? Can you use for wood? Is that skull really that? Okay. I think I'm over this one. Eat food and ah. Well, that fucks up my health too. Like I don't want to do that shit. I guess that's no, I guess there's no longer there. Yeah, that's almost like stamina, but I'm not fucking wasting it. I go back to the magic school bus because that's where the magic happens. I did not notice that flag up there. I think I did I? I think it's not a flag. No, it is a flag. Yeah, it's a flag. I think it is a flag, but I don't know at the same time. Alright, let's craft some shit. Alright, what do we got here? You. Stick goes boom. I don't think I have it. I don't have that. Shit, I don't have that. I think it's like, oh, I'm gonna build you, because I have you. There we go. Brand new baseball bat with ball. This is gonna be nice. I can share. This is really cool. Holy Bible. I don't need that. Glue. I don't need that. You. I don't need that. I don't need that. Alright. So you see right now, I'm just recycling. So that's how we craft. I thought like crafting by like over there, like I put my shit over there. Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess not. So I guess you have to like put it in here. I'm kind of done, but hey. That was a lot of. Actually, right, that's all it's already. Alright, cool. Alright, I think I tell this guy now? Oh, 61 again?
Hey, Casey.
No.
You there?
Yeah, always here. Always thinking. My mind is always swirling with something these days. It's impossible to shut it down.
Difficult to maintain a steady mind, given the situation you're in.
Hey, this morning I realized something. I can't even remember the last time I saw the sky. It's been a while, at least that much I know. Months. Wish I would have paid more attention. You ever been to the Badlands up in South Dakota?
Never been.
Oh, that's a shame. Like another planet. My mom used to drive me through there every summer on the way to see my uncle. The night sky was so bright. So many stars, like a dome overhead. Crystal clear view of the cosmos. That put a lot of things in perspective for me back when I really needed it. How insignificant we really are in the grand scheme of things. How my troubles, no matter how big they may seem, really don't mean squat. I mean, well, what are troubles anyway, huh? The universe doesn't know the meaning of the word. I wish I had that Badlands sky overhead right about now. You know, the first thing I'm gonna do when free is head back north. I think I've had enough of swamp life.
You mentioned your mom and your uncle.
Well, my uncle died a while ago. I miss him a ton. We were friends. I looked up to him. I never really knew my dad, so yeah, he kind of stepped in when he could. My mom and I, we didn't always get along. No clue what happened to my mom, actually. When I left home and joined the Guard, we weren't speaking, which, that's fine by me. She never thought too much of me. Didn't think I'd ever amount to anything. The verdict is still out, I suppose.
How did your uncle die?
Cancer. Look, Tourist, I've had enough of the therapy session. I don't feel like talking anymore. I'm gonna go put my head down for a bit. I'll talk to you soon.
I'm having a bad feeling. Alright, let's go back here. Nothing. Actually, I'm gonna get you actually. Ooh. Nice. Whoop, bop. Whoop, bop. There you go. Yeah, you can stick shit on it, dude. Whoop. Fuck. Oh, nice. Alright, I guess we're going to bed. Alright, alright. Hey, day 11, baby. Of supplies and down. Fuck!
Morning, sunshine. You around?
I'm here, Casey.
I'm here.
What's up?
I've located another flow regulator. We need it to repair the second pump, and guess what? I woke up this morning with water up to my ankles, so that sucks. Time is slipping away from me faster than I expected.
Hope you took swimming lessons as a kid.
You're a real comedian, Tourist. If you're through with the jokes and feel like helping out a guy staring down a cold, creeping death, the regulator is in Bywater. Blue-collar part of town. Warehouses, auto repair shops, small homes shoved in where possible. There's a huge lumber yard there, too. From what I heard through tower radio chatter, a bunch of valuable machinery was discovered in a storeroom. No specifics, though. You're gonna have to poke around. Oh, and I looked into the key you mentioned. I hate to say it, but we need it. Only way to access the final pump station. So you should keep things cool with May for the time being.
I'll be as cool as the other side of the pillow, Casey.
I believe it. And hey, I want you to know how much I appreciate what you're doing for me. It's nice to know someone has my back for once. Beginning to believe I actually might survive this. There was a time when, never mind. I'm trying to keep the dark thoughts out.
Dark thoughts can give you the edge you need to survive. Remember that.
I guess. Not a fan, though. I prefer sleep. Just hit me up when you've snagged the pump part from Bywater. I'll do my best to stay dry.
No! Oh, I guess it was it. I guess it was. Trying to buy water? Is that on my map? Buy water. It's on there. Alright, bet. Let's go get those fucking parts, baby. Alright, that's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Alright, so damn, it's pretty nice. I like how the sky looks. Crazy and shit. Oh yeah, I forgot this shit's over. No. I need to go Old Town. Nope. I need to go to you can try to punch And this, you can punch anything, but I feel like it does no damage at all. But like, it's just weird. Oh, oh shit! I thought it was like right here. I'm like, oh shit, but no, it's right here. All right. And shit. No. No. I need like bolts and shit. Nuts and bolts. Yes. Nuts and bolts. All right. I'm gonna find these parts, and also gonna get nuts and bolts. You can be also be nuts and bolts, right? Yes, you can. Another one, no. All this guy's nice. Not trying to fucking. Hey, what's up, man?
We have to keep our voices down. I'm in a bind and I need a third party to set some wheels in motion. Someone unaligned. Nothing shady, I swear.
You've got my attention. What do you need?
Meet me on the opposite side of this building. Can't risk being overheard or seen.
Alright. Same by what? Pop! What's that? Fuck! Shit! Oh no! No! Trikinton! No! What the fuck? No, it's on! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Okay, alright guys, give me a second. Oh shit. How the fuck is the lights? Alright. What the fuck? Oh, there they are. Sorry guys. Oh, fuck. Lights. Is that on? Alright. Oh, there you go. Lights on. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Shit, no, fuck. Shit. Ah. What the fuck? Key! No. Let's go. Find a key, baby.
That's the fucking pervert!
Okay, guys, give me 1 second. So give me 1 second, please. Hold up right there. Give me 1 second. Oh shit. Okay, we're back. Oh shit. Alright, we're back. See, we're back, guys. Nothing bad happened. Just a momentarily bugged. Shit. I'll go there. Give me a second. Guys, momentarily. I'll be right back.